do right.
2702, Agent Rick Dicker interrogation.
Trust me, like it.
Please?
Sorry machine. It's like Terry only with a K instead of a C and an A instead of an E and only one R and an I instead of an IE.
Tell me about the incident.
Well, it started out like any normal sitting gig, you know, with the reassuring of the parent and all. Mrs. Park, I can totally handle anything that baby can dish out. Can't I, little boo-boo boo? You can handle it. You can handle it. Mrs. Park? Mrs. Park? Oh, well, she knows her instructions. Now, who's ready for some neurological stimulation? It's time for cognitive development. Ooh, baby, where's the hiding, huh? That was really weird. Wait, right here. Hello, Mrs. Carter. This is Kari. I have a question about Jack Jack. Can you call me? No!